Hey everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, I'll show you how to control multiple LEDs using an MPU6050 accelerometer sensor and an Arduino. This setup will allow us to detect movement in both the X and Y axes and light up different LEDs based on the tilt direction. So for this project, we're using 4 LEDs, an Arduino, and an MPU6050 sensor. The MPU6050 is great for measuring acceleration and gyroscopic movement. Today we'll focus on the accelerometer part to detect tilts in both the X and Y directions. Let's take a look at the code. First, we include the necessary libraries for the MPU6050 sensor, set up our LED pins, and initialize the sensor. Then, inside the loop, we read the acceleration values from the sensor and normalize them to check the tilt levels. Based on those values, we control which LEDs turn on or off. For example, when the x-axis value is greater than 0.5, the LED connected to pin 7 will light up, indicating the device is tilted left. Similarly, when the y-axis value changes, it controls the forward or backward movement. Now let's see it in action. As I tilt the sensor left or right, the LEDs respond accordingly. The same goes for tilting forward and backward. And that's it for today's project. You can take this basic idea and apply it to more complex projects, like controlling servos or building a robot that responds to movement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more awesome electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.